We are nearing the end of 2021, and with that, we bring you the last edition of Best Apps for this year. We have seen and used a bunch of apps in the past year, but for this month, we have 5 that stand out the best. Amongst them is an app that lets you put a seek bar on your notification panel to control your media, a game that can help you live out your crazy car driving skills, and an app that saves you some time while watching a movie. Welcome to our final edition of the best apps for the month of December. Let's get started. If you are someone who listens to a lot of music or even podcast, there's a high chance you'll be daily driving this app. The media bar basically puts up a seek bar right at the top of the notification panel so that you can just access it without having to jump apps every now and then. The app is quite simple to use. Just give it the necessary permissions and set the bar origin according to your liking. You can also tinker around with the bar thickness, bar visibility, colors, gradients, and etc. You can also set basic shortcuts such as play or pause whenever you tap on the seek bar or jump forward whenever you long press on it. There are a bunch of customization to it which you should definitely try. Good wallpaper apps are really hard to find and it sometimes gets really taxing. Lucky for you, I might have one that can help you change that monotonous wallpaper which you set decades ago. Wallcandy has an ample amount of wallpaper to choose from, and they are all neatly organized for easy access. You get to see abstract, AMOLED, anime, art, cityscape, and a couple of other such categories. Applying the wallpaper is a simple task. Just download your favorite one and apply it to your home or lock screen. Bored of playing Asphalt 9 again and again? Well, this game might help you get a quick change of angle. CarX Rally is an offline game wherein you can play career mode, tournaments, complete different challenges and earn points based on that. Unfortunately, there is no multiplayer mode. As the name suggests, the game is based on rally racing and you have to unlock various challenges in career mode to complete and overcome them. You also get to customize the cars and buy new ones in the garage. The graphics were pretty good and gameplay felt really smooth. You also get to check your FPS inside the game so that you can set an appropriate graphic preset. Nowadays, there are a bunch of movies that have end credit scenes that you should never miss, but there are a lot of movies which do not have any. So, how do you find that out without having to sit through the entire credit scene only to be disappointed in the end? Well, stick around might be of some help to you. This app basically has an array of movies laid out on the home screen of which you can then select and read about the movie. It's kind of like Wikipedia for movies on your phone. Right below that is the answer to the question, should you wait? The data is community driven and I also found that some of the lesser known movies have not received any votes. Nevertheless, this app could be a time saver next time you're going to the theaters. How many times have you been in a situation wherein you mistakenly tapped a button on your phone screen while watching a movie or an OTT series and it skips like an hour and spoils literally everything for you? I hate to be in that spot. Luckily, I found this app called as Touch Protector. It basically logs the touch input so that you do not mistakenly do this. The best part about it is that you can just shake your device to activate it. You can see an outline here indicating that the app is now functioning. If you wish to disable it, just hit the volume up button and you are good to go. You can of course change these controls in the settings. So these were our batch of the best apps for the month of December. I hope you guys have enjoyed our series so far. Please let us know in the comments down below. And for all things tech, log on to gadgets360.com. See you guys next year.